Christmas tree.
Hi, welcome back. I'm Kara. This is my channel, Champagne Taste on Beer Budget. I was not planning on filming today, but I got my 2 Charlotte Tilbury Mystery Boxes that I bought on Cyber Monday. They're here. I wasn't expecting it. I was at TJ Maxx and I came home and they were here. I was expecting 2 different boxes because I did order 2 different mystery boxes. But in case you didn't know, Charlotte Tilbury does these mystery boxes every year. She does them on Black Friday. Last year they sold out in 12 hours. This year they were still available. So I ordered mine on Cyber Monday and I decided to pull the trigger. I pulled the trigger like quarter of midnight, which is when it ended. It ended on 11:59 p.m. on Cyber Monday. Look! Ooh. I don't have a lot of Charlotte Tilbury stuff. I have one lipstick and I have a palette, and the palette's in a box because I did recently order that. So I'm not a person with a lot of Charlotte Tilbury stuff, so I thought that for me, getting the mystery box was a good idea. This was my biggest splurge. Otherwise, I have just like, I don't know, 30 small boxes, but I have like this really big box from Charlotte Tilbury. Okay, I was expecting 2 boxes. I looked at the receipt, and I have the Hollywood Secrets mystery box. It has 9 full-size items. So look at, that's heavy. That's the 9-item box. The box was called the mystery item box, and it was $25 and you didn't know what was going to be in it. And right here on my invoice, it says just what the item is. So I like this item. I think I'm going to be really happy with this item, but it doesn't even say what the name of that mystery box was. Oh, okay. We have the Swish and Glow blusher, and it is in the shade Pillow Talk, the famous shade. This was something I always wanted. I always wanted one of these blushes. I've seen them at Sephora. These retail for $40. Oh, very pretty. So these are called the nipple blushes, and you can see why. I think this is great. I'm fair, so I think that this is great for someone of my skin tone. Swirl it all together and see what we come up with. Oh, this is like perfect for my tone. That is it. It's a nice rosy pink. It's not just like a straight up pink. So this is super pretty. I've always wanted this. Moving along, we have the big box. Charlotte had 3 boxes. This is the Hollywood Secrets mystery box. And let me take a look online so I can give you some more information about it. I paid $190 for this. And it was 50% off, so the retail price of the 9 full-size items was $383. But for some reason when this came in, I could have sworn I paid $100 for this. I don't know who I thought I was on Cyber Monday. I apparently thought I was a very, very wealthy woman. Yeah, and it has 2.2 stars. Why? Why does it have 2.2 stars? Okay, we're gonna get into that in just a minute. Let's take a look. We have 9 full-size items. Let's take a look. This box is really sturdy and it has that like magnetic closure. That's a puff. And there's a lot of lip products in here. So, ooh boy, we have, let's go for the big things first. And I don't know the retail prices of all these, so I'll have to like put them in editing. The Stone Rose Beauty Instant Look in a palette. This is the 5-minute face on the go, Look Express 5 minutes, and then the shade is Stone Rose. Okay, so we have a highlight, we have a bronze, we have a cheek swish, and a cheek pop. I think the cheek swish is like kind of a little bit of the highlighty shade, and then the cheek pop is more of the blush shade, and you just kind of swish them together. That's how the blush is, with the 2 different shades in it. And then it has 1 eye brightener, 2 is eye enhance, And then 3 is I Smoke. So super neutral shades. And yeah, it's just your instant look in a palette, just like it says. Super pretty, full mirror, very nice. This was a huge splurge. It's all coming back to me. It was like 1:45, and I'm like, why don't I really do a big splurge for myself? There's like a bunch of palettes in here. It's all palettes and lip products. Next up, it appears to be a little quad. It's the Bigger Brighter Eyes filter. Let's take a look at the shade, see what it is. I just looked if it had a shade name, but doesn't. Oh, it says Exaggerize. Nice. So we have a matte. That rosy brown color is a matte. And then the others are shimmers. So we're going to swatch them. I'm going to be doing terrible swatches. I'm doing my best. I just got home from TJ Maxx. It was crazy. People are already Christmas shopping. Like, the line was really long. Whoa, this isn't like very... That's kind of sheer. Like, that's like a lid topper, like right down here. Maybe I'm wrong, but that's how I'm seeing it on swatch at least. And then that's really pretty. This like matte shade right here. So these are the shades. We have the matte rosy brown shade, and then this looks like an eye topper. It's right down here, a lid topper. And then we have this shade and then the lighter shade. So that is one quad. There's more palettes. There's 2 more palettes. There's 4 palettes in this box. Oh no. There's 3 palettes in this box, and there's another blush. Okay, let's take a look at this blush. We will take a look at this. What is this? Oh, the Walk of No Shame blush. Okay, I don't know what shade that is. I know it's like a famous one for Charlotte. Okay, we have the Charlotte Walk of No Shame blush. A bit deeper. If I can take off the glare, you can see how it's like a deeper rose. So this is Walk of No Shame. Oh, it's nice. I think that this, if I went in with a light hand, it would be okay. Here are the blushes side by side. This is Walk of No Shame. It's a bit deeper, and then we have Pillow Talk over here. So this is Walk of No Shame. I laid it on pretty heavy, so you could really see it, since blushes in general don't swatch great. And then we're going to do Pillow Talk, Pillow Talk. Pillow Talk, Walk of No Shame. I think I could use Walk of No Shame so long as I just go with a light hand and really blend it out. And then Pillow Talk is super pretty. So pretty, these are so beautiful. 2 beautiful blushes from Charlotte Tilbury. Let's go with another palette. There are now 3 palettes in here. Like, this is crazy. This is the Copper Charge Luxury Palette, the color-coded eyeshadows. Okay, another little quad. I can't believe this. Like, all of a sudden, I have like 3 Charlotte palettes. Does that not look really similar to the last one? Oh, okay. This one's a bit cooler. This one here in this hand is Exaggerize, and this one here is Copper Charge. So neat. Oh my god, I can't wait to like use these. I really don't go for quads, like I don't buy quads, but I'm super excited to have these. We have 5 lip products to go. Oh my god, this is a lot. I don't know if I really understood that I was buying this much makeup, and I guess I got caught up in the excitement. But seriously, after getting this much Charlotte Tilbury, this many products, I mean, I don't know if I would buy another one of these, because I might just get all the same shades and all the same products. This is a lot, 9. Okay, let's go with the more exciting one. This is the Hot Lips. I am familiar with these. I have seen these online at Sephora. It's a refillable lipstick, and each lipstick in the Hot Lips collection is named after someone Charlotte admires, and they each have a unique looking little case. This is Amazing Amal. Look at how pretty the bullet is. So beautiful. And yeah, it comes off like a fuchsia. I don't know, not kind of my style these days. Let's hope For other ones, maybe a Pillow Talk. Oh, this is the Walk of No Shame. This is the Matte Revolution lipstick. It's luminous, modern matte, long-lasting lipstick. Walk of No Shame. This used to be called Walk of Shame, and then Charlotte renamed the whole line. This has like that classic rose gold that Charlotte does. Another kind of deep one. Can you see that? Kind of deep. Okay, that looks a lot like the other one. This one doesn't appear as pinky fuchsia as the other one. 3 more lip products to go. It's so crazy that there's so many lip products in here. There's so many palettes. Oh, this one's very Victoria. Okay, that's a famous shade by Charlotte. This is also the Matte Revolution formula. And again, the pretty rose gold. And the pretty bullet lipstick. Ooh, oh, I like this. Oh, this is my favorite so far. This is like a rosy nude. Yes, the top one is very Victoria. This is the one. I will wear this every day for the next few days. And then it looks like we have 2 liquid lips. They are number 1, the Lip Luster, can't talk, Lip Luster Luxe Color Lasting Lip Lacquer. And this guy, it is there a shade on this? Ooh, oh, deep. Deep, girl, deep. What is that? Is that like a burgundy? Okay, this one, the shade is called Unleash, and it seemed to be like a burgundy, but I don't want to swatch it because I don't think I'm going to keep it. I may just pass it along to someone. And the last product of the 9, there are 9 products, there are so many, is the Collagen Lip Bath, Collagen Enhanced Lip Plumping Effect. This is in Refresh Rose. Oh, this is like kind of clear. See that? I don't know if I'll use this either. I'm not a big fan of lip plumpers like the Too Faced ones. I don't know if it's like that. The Too Faced one stings my lips. I think I will read the reviews and see what this one is like, and if it is, you know, stinging or anything, I'll pass it along. I think this was a great box. I wasn't planning on spending $190 on anything for Cyber Monday and Black Friday, and apparently I threw caution to the wind at 10 minutes of midnight on Cyber Monday and bought this. But I have heard of these, the Instant Look and a Palette. We get one of these. There are 2 quads, 2. These are pricey. And then, oh, 1 blush. And then we have 3 bullet lipsticks. 3 of these guys. 3 of these guys. Hot Lips. I'll put the price down below. 2 Matte Revolution lipsticks. And this is the Plumping something or another. And then we have this lipstick, which I forget the name of that one. It's on the box. But I want to take a look to see what was up with the people with the reviews. Why is everyone so angry? People gave us like not even 2.5 stars. People are angry, and I want to know why. Oh, this has 2.2 stars. Ooh, that's brutal. It has 17 one-star ratings. Wow, people are mad. Let's take a look at what the mad people are saying. Okay, this one says, no skincare, little variety. It says that all the lip products are in very similar dark shades. I have to agree with that. I do, I have to agree with that. The lips, yeah, a lot of them were in the same shades. But a lot of people were hoping to get the Charlotte Magic Cream, the skincare line, and I wasn't really, that wasn't really on my radar that I was hoping to get. I was really just hoping to get makeup. So I guess people were upset that they didn't get the skincare. Here's another one, super mad that there was no skincare in here. Here's someone that's super mad that they got 5 lip products that were all very similar in color. Yeah, I gotta give it to them. That is true. This says 5 lip products, all dark, all unwearable, will be returning. Another thing about Charlotte Tilbury for these mystery boxes is that they are returnable, and in the box I did get a return slip. So if anyone is upset with their box, they can definitely send it back because there's a return slip in the box. I think that's why I bought it, because I knew that if I really disliked it, I could send it back. Here's more reviews. 1 star, rubbish. 1 star, disappointing. 1 star, disappointing. 1 star, disappointed. Some variety. 1 star, another disappointment to add to 2020. Ow. Oh, Amy, that's harsh. 1 star, not happy. 1 star, returning. 1 star, disappointing. 1 star, disappointed. 1 star, so disappointed will be returning. Ooh. 1 says 1 star, 5 lip products in a pandemic. Ouch, Christina. Oh, these reviews are scathing. Woo! I'm gonna leave a link down below to this box if you want to take a look at some of these reviews. I like the box. I'm sorry, I like the box. I do feel compelled to like the box because I paid $190 for it. Paid $190 plus $25 so that you don't have to. And again, these are in mystery boxes every year for Black Friday, and this year it didn't sell out. It was going right up to the scheduled end time of midnight on Cyber Monday. Last year they all sold out in 12 hours. Of course, we are in a pandemic. That's what's in the box. I hope you had fun watching this. I was surprised, definitely surprised. And please give this video a like, I'd really appreciate it. Be sure to tune in on Saturday for my every Saturday, 3 p.m. EST, TJ Maxx and Marshall's shop with me. Like I said, I was out at Marshall's just tonight, finding all the good stuff for you guys. And also follow me on Instagram. It is Champagne Taste on a Beer Budget, XO on Instagram. Okay, guys? I will see you soon. Maybe I'll be wearing Charlotte. There's so much stuff. Bye, guys.
Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree. Been wondering just what you